Alright, so, mwen gen kliyan yo la, yo vin achete pou yo ta la manje, men lè yo goûte, yo di yo pa pral lake ankon, se la pou yo manje. So hey, guys, do you guys want to say something? Say anything, I want to hear you.
It's the best food, the best Asian food I've come across in Atlanta.
Wow. So, what you got?
I got griot, jonjon. Wait, let me see if I can say it in Creole. Mwen flag griot ak diri jonjon ak banan.
Yeah, banan pesé.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, nice. How about you? You got the lalo?
Yeah, that G blanc sauce spot.
Oh wow. Man, so you like it, right?
Yeah, perfect, man. Only spot I found in Atlanta, Haitian spot I found so far.
Wow.
I'm from Miami, so.
Oh, okay. So I mean, you know the good food, right? You know what's good Haitian food at.
Appreciate you,
man.
Thank
you. Thanks for coming. Right. Enjoy, have fun, and you know what it is. You know the name?
Yeah. What's the name?
Manje la caille. Yeah. Manje la caille.
Manje la caille, bro. There you go, Manje la caille.
That's what it is. That's it. Thank you all. Enjoy.